Owning a home is rewarding, but comes with responsibilities, like maintenance. Ignoring tasks can lead to larger, more expensive problems. A small leak ignored can become a major plumbing disaster. Traditional home maintenance often relies on reactive measures. Imagine a pipe bursting in the middle of the night, causing flooding and damage. Now picture a world where AI predicts this event before it happens, allowing you to prevent it. This shift from reactive to proactive is at the heart of how AI is transforming home maintenance. By automating tasks, predicting potential issues, and optimizing resource usage, AI has the potential to revolutionize how we care for our homes. This revolution is not some distant future, it's happening now. We'll delve into real-world examples, analyze the benefits and challenges, and forecast the future of home upkeep in an increasingly AI-driven world. Artificial intelligence, once confined to science fiction, is rapidly becoming an integral part of our daily lives. This transformative power of AI is now extending to our homes, specifically in how we approach maintenance. AI-powered solutions are emerging to address various home maintenance challenges. Smart sensors can monitor your home's systems, predicting potential problems before they escalate. Robotic cleaners are becoming increasingly sophisticated, taking over mundane cleaning tasks. AI algorithms can analyze your energy consumption patterns, offering recommendations for optimization and savings. Predictive maintenance, powered by AI, can alert you to potential issues like a failing appliance, allowing for timely repairs and preventing costly breakdowns. By analyzing data from various sources like smart meters and weather patterns, AI algorithms can optimize energy consumption, reducing utility bills. AI-powered leak detection systems can identify and even stop leaks in real time, minimizing water damage and waste. These advancements not only save money, but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. The concept of a smart home has evolved rapidly, moving beyond fancy gadgets to encompass a more integrated and intelligent living experience. Predictive AI uses data analysis and machine learning to anticipate issues before they arise. Imagine your smart refrigerator detects an anomaly in its compressor. It sends a notification to your smartphone, suggesting a service appointment. This proactive approach prevents breakdowns and saves you from inconvenience. AI-powered security systems analyze video feeds to identify unusual activities. As AI advances, expect more sophisticated solutions, revolutionizing home upkeep. One of the most tangible impacts of AI in home maintenance is the rise of robotic cleaners. Today's robotic cleaners are equipped with advanced sensors and AI-powered object recognition, navigating complex home environments. Robotic vacuums effectively tackle dust, dirt, and pet hair on various floor surfaces. These devices map your home's layout, learning efficient cleaning routes. Some models feature self-emptying dustbins, minimizing user intervention. Robotic mopping devices scrub floors, while robotic pool cleaners remove debris from pools. The convenience and time-saving benefits of these devices are undeniable. Water damage is a homeowner's nightmare, often resulting in costly repairs and potential health hazards. Traditional methods of leak detection often involve visual inspections or waiting for signs of damage, which can be inefficient and time-consuming. AI is revolutionizing leak detection and prevention by offering proactive solutions that can identify and even stop leaks in their tracks. Smart water sensors are becoming increasingly popular as a preventative measure against water damage. These sensors are typically installed near appliances like washing machines, dishwashers, and water heaters, or under sinks and toilets. They continuously monitor water flow and pressure, detecting any abnormalities that could indicate a leak. When a leak is detected, the smart sensor sends an instant alert to your smartphone, allowing you to take immediate action. Some advanced systems can even automatically shut off the main water supply, preventing further damage. This proactive approach minimizes the risk of catastrophic water damage, saving you from costly repairs and potential health risks associated with mold growth. As energy costs continue to rise, homeowners are constantly seeking ways to improve energy efficiency and reduce their carbon footprint. AI is playing an increasingly vital role in this domain, offering intelligent solutions that optimize energy consumption and minimize waste. Smart thermostats are a prime example of AI-powered energy efficiency in action. These devices learn your heating and cooling preferences, adjusting the temperature automatically based on your schedule and occupancy patterns. They can also factor in external factors like weather forecasts and time-of-day electricity rates, further optimizing energy usage. AI algorithms can analyze data from various sources like smart meters, weather patterns, and even your home's insulation levels to identify areas for improvement. Homeowners can significantly reduce their energy consumption, resulting in lower utility bills. Furthermore, reducing energy consumption translates to a smaller carbon footprint, aligning with sustainability goals. Traditionally, home maintenance has often involved calling in professionals for even minor repairs. While some tasks undoubtedly require specialized expertise, AI is empowering homeowners to tackle simpler repairs and maintenance themselves, saving both time and money. AI-powered diagnostic tools are becoming increasingly accessible to homeowners. These tools can help troubleshoot common household problems, providing step-by-step guidance for repairs. Imagine using your smartphone camera to scan a faulty light fixture. The app, powered by AI, identifies the problem, suggests potential solutions, and even directs you to online retailers selling replacement parts. Augmented reality, or AR, is another transformative technology that's simplifying DIY repairs. The availability of such AI-powered tools empowers homeowners to take charge of minor repairs, fostering a sense of self-reliance and potentially saving them hundreds of dollars in service calls. Home security is paramount for any homeowner, and AI is playing an increasingly significant role in enhancing safety and protection. From intelligent security cameras to proactive alarm systems, AI-powered devices are providing homeowners with advanced tools to deter crime and ensure peace of mind. AI-powered security cameras have evolved significantly from their predecessors. These cameras can distinguish between familiar faces and strangers, reducing false alarms. They can analyze video feeds to identify suspicious activities, such as someone lurking around your property or attempting to force open a door or window. Some advanced systems can even detect specific sounds associated with security threats, such as breaking glass or forced entry attempts. Upon detecting a potential threat, these systems can send instant alerts to your smartphone, allowing you to monitor the situation remotely and contact authorities if necessary. Beyond security cameras, AI is being integrated into other home safety devices. As AI technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, the future of home maintenance promises even greater levels of automation, efficiency, and convenience. Self-healing homes, once a concept confined to science fiction, are becoming a tangible possibility. Imagine a future where your home's walls contain micro-robots capable of repairing cracks and leaks autonomously. Self-adjusting pipes could adapt to changes in water pressure, preventing bursts, while self-regulating electrical systems could optimize energy consumption and prevent outages. The integration of AI with robotics will likely result in even more sophisticated home maintenance robots. These robots could perform a wider range of tasks, from cleaning gutters and mowing lawns to painting walls, and even assisting with minor repairs. Imagine a robotic assistant capable of changing air filters, cleaning windows, and even packing away seasonal items. The way we interact with our homes will continue to evolve, with voice assistants becoming increasingly integrated into home maintenance. The AI revolution in home maintenance is not a distant event. It's happening now. As with any technological shift, there will be challenges and considerations as we adapt to this new era of smarter, more automated homes. Here are some key takeaways to embrace this change effectively. Firstly, it's essential to stay informed about the latest AI advancements in home maintenance. Research different technologies, understand their capabilities and limitations, and determine which solutions best suit your needs and budget. As AI technology evolves rapidly, staying up to date will be crucial in making informed decisions about integrating these solutions into your home. Secondly, consider the privacy and security implications of AI-powered devices. Smart home systems, by their nature, collect and analyze data about your living patterns. It's crucial to choose reputable brands with robust security measures to protect your data privacy.